Duncan McKenzie-McHarg, and I'm in the city of San Francisco, the home of the Golden Gate Bridge, Alcatraz Island, and cable cars. Today, I'm going to experience a game day where two sports will collide to kick off a regular season. This is how we play in California. The San Francisco Giants are one of the oldest and most successful teams in American sports. 8 World Series titles, they've won more games than any other franchise in Major League Baseball. The Giants play here at the iconic Oracle Park, known for splash hits.
That ball is smoked deep to right field. Adios! Punter! That one is wet.
For today's game day adventure, I'm meeting an Aussie who's become a Bay Area local, an ex-tradie who's now played in 2 Super Bowls, 49ers punter Mitch Wishnowsky.
Oh,
Is this how you spend your off-season?
yeah, it is. Not bad, right?
How are you, Mitch?
Good, how are you?
Yeah, good, thanks, man. Is this yours, or
This is the Giants. I think it's 2 stories, about 100 foot.
should we take it for a spin?
Yeah, let's do it.
So, mate, does the Bay Area feel like home now?
It does, yeah. Spent a bit of time in Santa Barbara, but most of the year in the Bay Area. Yeah, we couldn't be happier.
It's world class out here, isn't it?
It's great. Good weather, the ocean. Yeah.
So what are you doing at Giants opening day, Mitch?
Here to watch D-Bon Fred throw out the first pitch and hopefully see one of those splash hits.
Cool.
This is where the splash hits happen, right? Over the wall?
Yeah, unreal. Hey, do you reckon you'd be able to punt an NFL ball over that wall?
I guess it depends how far back I punt from.
Like from the field? 45, 50 yards?
Maybe I could give it a crack.
I reckon you could. You got one of the biggest legs in the NFL.
Yeah, I reckon I could go close for sure.
Should we try to make it happen?
What do you mean?
Well, have the ceremonial first pitch in baseball. Why don't we do a first punt? Kick off opening day, Major League Baseball.
Oh, it's a bit of pressure, but sure, I'll give it a crack.
Would you be up for it?
Yeah, if it's possible, yeah, I'd give it a crack, sure.
I reckon we make it happen.
Yeah?
Let's make it happen. Let's do it. Let's go. Splash kick, trust me. It's going to be awesome. Just got to trust me, okay?
Okay.
Excuse me, sir. Excuse me. How's it going? I'm Duncan.
Hi, how are you?
This is Mitch Wishnowsky, punter for the San Francisco 49ers.
How are you?
Who's in charge around here?
My section, I am.
So we've got this idea. It's a little bit crazy. You know how you've got the ceremonial first pitch in baseball?
Yes.
We're going to have a ceremonial first punt. So basically, he's going to punt an NFL ball from the field over the wall into McCovey Cove. Who have we got to chat to make this happen?
Just gonna happen today?
Yeah.
This is baseball. It doesn't happen here. I mean, we don't do that here.
How far would it be from field level over Levi's Landing into the water?
I would guess 50 or 60 yards.
Okay, if I wanted to punt a ball over there, over the wall, how would we make that happen?
You know, I don't know. It's never been done before.
Hey, mate. How's it going?
Hey, how are you?
I'm Duncan. This is Mitch Wishnowsky. He's the punter for the San Francisco 49ers.
Okay.
We know you guys have got these incredible splash hits. We've got this awesome idea, right? A splash kick. He's going to kick an NFL ball from the field over the wall into McCovey Cove. Who do we speak to make this happen?
Well, it's opening day. It's one of the biggest days of the year. That's not really something we do. That's really a Brian Stravian call. I can't make any promises.
You can make a call.
I can make the call, but I don't want to get your hopes up. So.
I reckon we're on here, mate. Thank you so much.
No problem.
Let's go. Let's go. Here's Fred and Devo. What's going on, fellas?
Hey, what's going on?
What's going on, man?
Hey, what are you Aussie guys doing here?
Well, you know how you're doing the ceremonial first pitch?
Right.
We're thinking about a first punt where Mitch punts an NFL ball into McCovey Cove. What do you reckon?
Stop. That's pretty dope.
Can we make it happen?
Well, I mean, good luck with that, but yeah, I mean, that'd be dope, yeah.
Don't ask, don't get, right?
Yeah, that's right, yeah. All right, well, good luck, mate. Thanks, man. Yeah.
Come in.
McKenzie-McHarg Wishnowsky.
Yes.
I'm Brian with the Giants marketing team. Today marks the 25th year here at Oracle Park. And in that time, there's never been a crazier idea than this. We talked about it, though, and we're going to let you do it.
You're kidding.
Approved.
Approved?
Yes, but if you guys are going to go out there, today's opening day. And there's nothing like it here in San Francisco, so you're going to need to look the part.
Oh, my goodness.
Hey, guys, good luck.
Thanks so much.
Oh, say does that star-spangled banner.
Now to throw out today's ceremonial first pitches, please welcome from your NFC champion, San Francisco 49ers, linebacker Fred Warner, wide receiver Deebo Samuel.
How are we feeling, mate? A little nervous. Yeah. Nervous, yeah. Good luck, mate. Good luck. I'm so nervous for it. I don't know what to think. Crossing my fingers and toes. Look at all these fans. G'day, mate.
We're not done yet, baseball fans.
We got a punter on the field.
Please direct your attention to right field.
I don't think we've ever had this.
To welcome 49ers punter Mitch Wishnowsky for Oracle Park's first ceremonial first punt.
Showtime.
And Mitch Wishnowsky is going to punt. Into the cold. How about that?
Wow. Yeah. But you made it by some distance as well.
I was very worried. She let me pick my spot. So.
How are you feeling beforehand?
I was nervous.
Yeah. I could tell.
Yeah.
Mate, that was awesome.
Yeah, thanks, mate.
Relief.
Yeah. Now it's time to enjoy the game.
Oh, let's do it, huh?
Yeah.
And if our opening day wasn't already exciting enough, how about a walk-off hit to give the Giants the win?
For Toyota Giant. Get into the gap. Is anybody there? No. Here it comes. And the throw. Not in time. And this one is over.
Mitch, they're playing Take Me Out to the Ballpark. They said it couldn't be done the first punt, but we did it, man. It's unbelievable.
Yeah, I'll take it. Got it over the wall. That was awesome. Thanks, mate.
Thanks so much for an unforgettable game day experience. I'll remember that for the rest of my life.
Me too.
And good luck for with the Niners this season.
Cool, thank you.
Come play at visitcalifornia.com.